Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am working with Unice Hair. They sent me this beautiful 7x5 bye-bye knots wig. It is in their Yaki straight texture, 180% density, and I believe 14 inches. This wig is a glueless wig, so it's a very easy install. All you have to do is take it out of the box and put it on your head. It does come with an adjustable elastic band so that you can tighten it to get a secure fit for your head, so you don't have to use any type of glue. Also, it does come with these little like lace tape pieces that you can use if you want to hold down the sides. It doesn't go all the way down because it is 7x5, but if you would just like to secure that a little bit, so you guys can see it's on pretty well and it's glueless, it's not glued down. The wig also has a very natural hairline. It's not too thick, it's not too overplucked. It looks very natural, like it could be your hair and not a wig. One of the best things about it is free part lace. Although it is 7x5, you can do a side part, a deep side part, and a middle part. You don't have to just stick to the middle part that the wig comes with. You'll see later on when I show you the construction of the wig and put it on how you can part it. But I absolutely love this wig because it just looks so natural. I have actually fallen in love with Yaki straight hair. I just feel like it's more me rather than silky shiny like body wave or like the silkier textures. I like Yaki straight. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch me do a quick install with this wig and straighten it out a little bit because I am installing it straight out of the box. So there were a little bit of bumps and creases in it that needed to be ironed out. So I'm gonna let you guys watch that. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the wig as I show it to you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already, and yeah, just keep on watching.
Okay guys, so let's get into this little quick install. So again, this is their Bye Bye Knots wig. It is a 12-inch Yaki straight bob wig in 150% density. This wig does come with pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. It also features this little cutout around your ear so that the wig does not rub on your ear and irritate it, an adjustable elastic band, and you can see the knots are definitely bleached. So for this install, I'm just tightening the adjustable elastic band and sliding the wig on my head, and that's literally all you have to do. Even though this is a 7x5 closure, you can still do free parting, so you can do a side part or a middle part. And since I did take this wig straight out of the box to install it, I have to touch it up with my flat iron. So after hot combing down the roots to get them super flat, I'm just going to be going in with the hot comb and kind of bumping out those creases that's in the wig. And that's literally all I had to do for the wig. If you want a wig that's very beginner friendly, you can take it out of the box and just put it right on your head. This is the wig for you. You want a wig that looks very natural, this is the wig for you. So I'm gonna have everything linked down below in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already. And I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I will talk to you next time. Bye guys.
I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say, fuck that nigga that you think you found, and since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying, do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying, do better. And you'll start hating only if you make it. Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of her friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say, fuck that nigga that you think you found, and since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying, do better.